Welcome to the most expensive penthouse in all of New York City. Once you see inside, you will understand why the owner is asking for $175 million. This penthouse has everything you could ever want or need. It's located at the very top of the prestigious 432 Park Avenue. The building was completed in 2015 and cost $1 billion to build. That's why it took a whopping 7 years to complete, because they had to build it from the ground up. 70 of the apartments were purchased by Russians with political connections. So that just shows how luxurious this building really is. But what makes this building so special? Well, it has not just that it has 96 stories tall, or that it cost $1 billion to build, or even that it only has 18 units. The main reason is because of the incredible views. Every apartment in this building has floor-to-ceiling windows that give you panoramic views of Central Park and the whole of Manhattan. If you stand at the window and turn around slowly, you will see more famous landmarks than you can count. Some of these apartments have sold for over $100 million. So imagine having that kind of money to spend on an apartment. This penthouse is a whopping 4,750 square feet, and that doesn't even include the terrace. In total, you get about 6,300 square feet of living space. So let's take a look inside and see what $175 million gets you in New York City. Welcome to the penthouse. You have your elevator that takes you straight to the door. When you open the door, you have this long hallway, and if we go straight ahead, we will enter into the great room. This is truly great because you have these floor-to-ceiling windows which give you views of Central Park and all of Manhattan. And if you look to the left, you have your dining area followed by your kitchen. And I love how the windows line the entire room. That way you can see the view, no matter where you are in the room. The kitchen is fully equipped with top-of-the-line appliances. It has been used maybe 2 or 3 times according to the owner. That's how serious he is about selling this place. He even has a brand new, unused microwave that will stay in the apartment. And you also have this huge island in the middle that can be used for prepping food. Or you can use it as a bar. If you continue through the kitchen, you have a separate pantry with tons of shelves and cabinets. Here you have your refrigerator and freezer. Over here you have your wine storage, and then in this corner you have your coffee station. The owners rarely use the apartment, so it almost feels like a brand new unit. I bet the person who buys this place will be extremely wealthy and probably famous. But anyways, if we head back to the great room and look to the right, you have a half bathroom, and then you have your master bedroom. This is the first of 4 bedrooms in this apartment. As you can see, the walls are completely covered with windows. I wonder what it would feel like to wake up every morning and see this view. The master bedroom has a huge walk-in closet with custom-built. There are actually 2 closets in total. One of them is his and hers, and then you have another one over here. As you can see, there is plenty of space for all of your clothes. And then when we enter into the bathroom, this is what you see. It has a huge soaking tub, and if we pan up, you have your beautiful white marble finish. This place is absolutely gorgeous. And now let's check out the rest of the penthouse. You have a second bedroom with an ensuite bathroom. I love how the walls are lined with windows. It definitely makes you feel like you're on top of the world. Now let us head down the hallway, and you have your laundry room on the left. And at the end of the hall, you have your second living room. I'm not sure how many people would actually need 2 living rooms, but hey, it's a penthouse, so why not? I think the best part about this apartment is that since the owner hasn't really used it, everything is practically brand new. Now let's check out the roof terrace. This is an extra 1,000 square feet, and if you look around, you have stunning views of Central Park and all of Manhattan. Look how big this place is. You could literally throw a party and have hundreds of people over, and no one would even know. It's so private. There are actually 3 terraces in total. You have one off of the kitchen, one off of the living room, and then this massive one off of the second bedroom. This is like your own personal park. Just imagine having a picnic with your family or friends and taking in the views of the entire city. Back inside, if we head down the hall, you have your 4th and final bedroom, along with another full bathroom. This penthouse is perfect for someone who wants the ultimate luxury experience in the heart of New York City. The penthouse is located in one of the most prestigious buildings in the city, and has been the go-to destination for the rich and famous. The building has top-notch amenities, such as a fitness center, a swimming pool, a spa, and a 75-foot-long tank. The penthouse itself is located on the top floor and has stunning views of Central Park and the rest of the city. The penthouse has been finished to the highest standard and has a number of luxurious features, including a gourmet kitchen, a home theater, and a library. The penthouse is located in the heart of Midtown Manhattan and is close to all of the city's best shopping, dining, and entertainment. I think what makes this penthouse so special is the fact that it is located on the top floor of one of the most iconic buildings in New York City. It's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to own a piece of history. So what do you think about this penthouse? Would you buy it for $175 million? Comment down below. But before you do that, make sure to subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out our other videos. We have some really good ones coming up. Thanks for watching, guys.